Good morning to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz, taking a deeper dive into your forecast on this Monday morning. Many of us waking up to cloud cover, but the low clouds are starting to thin out, burn off, and then we're in store for a pretty seasonal day. Yes, it's going to be warm, but we'll be right where we should be this time of year. Upper 70s here in Seattle to about 80. We'll still have coastal showers and some clouds really just hugging the coast today. And then we're going to have another system moving in on Tuesday. It's really weak, but it will bring more showers to the Olympic Peninsula. And as it moves east, it's not going to really hold together. I'll show you on the Futurecast, but temperatures will be slightly cooler, and then we're going to warm things up Wednesday through Friday before things change again. And again, I'll break it all down for you. But here's a look at the satellite and radar this morning. Generally speaking, we're seeing some clearing, but throughout the day, even as these low clouds start to dissipate, we'll likely still have some mid-level high clouds painting the sky, except for the coast. You see how we have some light showers still falling, and that will be the best chance, or where we'll have the best chance for some rain today. Then we turn the page to Tuesday, and this is going to be our next system rolling in. So it's an area of low pressure and a trailing cold front, and that's going to move into our area as it moves into British Columbia. You see how it starts to spin into Tuesday morning toward British Columbia, and here comes that front. It's going to be weak, but still bringing some showers closer to the coast. It's going to brush the region. Then we get into Wednesday and Thursday. Ridge of high pressure expands over the region, blocking another system as it spins over the Gulf of Alaska and just kind of looms offshore. But then if the ridge breaks and weakens even just a little bit, that could open the door for another system, that one system, to brush by our region, bringing maybe a few showers. But what we're sure of, because there are still a lot of uncertainties, just if it's going to bring us rain or not. But what looks the most likely for the lowlands, cooler temperatures and maybe more clouds. So we'll fine tune it as we get a little closer. So mostly sunny, partly cloudy this afternoon, except again where the coastal showers will be. Tuesday, partly sunny, a few showers really favoring the coast. Wednesday will kick things off with some clouds followed by clearing. Our hottest day will come on Friday before things start to cool down. Let's take you to Everett, where we're starting to see those peaks of blue sky and you see more clouds lingering. Can't see the mountain just yet, but above these low clouds, we can see some blue sky at Paradise in some of the higher elevations, but you see the sun trying to peek through and help burn off some of those clouds. Let's talk about what's going on right now. So you see all of the low clouds all up and down the coast and the Olympic Peninsula, and these low clouds are starting to mix out and then clear for Puget Sound. Meanwhile, east of us, as we well know, we have dozens of wildfires burning in the northwest, and all of this, that is smoke from all of these wildfires, especially over Oregon. And then you can see even over northern Washington, central and northern Washington, all of those smoke plumes. But it's really Oregon, southeastern Washington, all the way up into Montana and up into Canada. And we have air quality alerts still in place. As you see, the moderate air quality to unhealthy for sensitive groups, maybe worse than that. That's what that orange dot is, but you see all of those air quality alerts in place. A lot of it is, if you're closer to the wildfires, of course, it's going to be worse than that. But this side of the Cascades will have good air quality. Here's a look at the highs today. Again, we'll have this ridge briefly building. High pressure is going to help clear us out, dry us out. Temperatures today mid and upper 70s to about 80 for some of the hottest spots. The coast going to be the exception. Once again, we'll have mid and potentially upper 60s, and then the farther east you live, the warmer it's going to be. But you see all up and down the I-5 corridor will be in the 70s, except for the foothills and the valleys, likely going to top out near 80. Then we turn the page once again to Tuesday with that front moving in. Could be a little breezy at times as well. Temperatures will be cooler though, low in mid 70s. Eastern Washington, thankfully, thankfully also getting a break from the serious heat. Still in the 70s and 80s though. So let's talk about the cloud cover and the shower chances. So you see into the afternoon, most of the precipitation for the north coast will end, but maybe a few sprinkles. Meanwhile, interior areas mostly sunny, partly cloudy, but then clouds quickly fill back in tonight. And here comes that next system. You see this band of moisture as it moves west to east. Watch what happens. So we get some good rain over the north coast and the western slopes of the Olympics, but as it continues to move east, the Olympics going to absorb a lot of that moisture, and so what's left, maybe a couple of light showers or sprinkles here in Puget Sound, and then we'll see more clouds Tuesday, followed by clearing into Wednesday as that ridge begins to build. Now through Tuesday night with the incoming system, rain totals are going to be little to nothing for here in Seattle. Maybe Everett, you see 1/10 of an inch, or Shelton near that, but the highest rain totals are going to be closer to Quileute, Forks, and then the north coast, where Quileute on Sunday picked up over an inch of rain, so beneficial rain there, but the rest of us really little to nothing. Then we are getting into Seafair weekend, first weekend of August, and Friday's going to be the warmest day. Saturday and Sunday, those are the days we'll have to watch for maybe some showers out there, but for now we're not expecting anything heavy, thankfully, but if that changes, we'll let you know. But the upside, like I mentioned, temperature-wise, we may be on the cooler side, which would be comfortable. Low and mid 70s. Our mornings will get a little more comfortable as well. Now looking ahead beyond the 7-day forecast, and remember this could definitely change considering this is up to 10 days out, but it shows the first full week of August we could have another pattern flip trending more on the dry side and warmer side.